The process begins with automated precision. As the blades peel back the rind, the pure,
Entering the main hall, the sheer scale of this operation is immediately apparent. Here, the raw leaves leaks. The scale of this operation is truly breathtaking. Multiple automated lines work in parallel. Conveyor belts transport the vibrant green leaves through the first stage, a meticulous cleaning process to remove impurities.
The inspection process is rigorous. Skilled technicians meticulously examine each leaf to guarantee the purity of the final product.
At this massive scale, precision is key. The automated system guides the freshly harvested.
Inside the giant aloe vera gel factory, we witness the unbelievable gel extraction process. Utilizing high-pressure purified water, the automated system meticulously cleans every inch of the aloe leaves before extraction. Once harvested, the giant leaves are transported to the washing drums to remove any debris before extraction.
The process begins here, ensuring every giant aloe leaf is meticulously cleaned before extraction. Here in the trimming section, advanced machinery precisely removes the serrated edges of the leaf, a critical step before extraction.
The accuracy on the dorsal trim is fluctuating slightly.
Yes, I see that. Realign the laser to compensate for the leaf variation.
The process begins with automated precision. As the blades peel back the rind, the pure,
The automated blades slice the rind away with millimeter precision, revealing the pure, potent aloe vera.
Inside the giant factory, the unbelievable gel extraction process yields this translucent substance, rich in beneficial compounds. The machinery applies just enough pressure to split the leaf, revealing the highly sought-after aloe vera gel.
The raw leaves undergo a precise extraction process. What emerges is the unbelievably clear.
The stabilization process begins as the freshly extracted gel cascades into these massive tanks.
From extraction, clear, visibly moved systems.
Once extracted, the raw gel is carefully channeled through this network of tubes for purification.
Is rapidly pumped into these massive.
The extraction process yields this highly viscous, crystal clear substance. Technicians perform.
Once harvested, the gel undergoes a rigorous, multi-stage purification process, utilizing.
This macro view shows the crucial purification stage, where fine mesh separates the valuable gel from unwanted plant fibers.
After extraction, the raw gel undergoes a sophisticated multi-step purification process.
Here we see the purification stage, where the gel is refined for clarity and consistency.
The gel moves between the filtration stages, becoming clearer and smoother with each pass through the stainless steel system.
Here in the lab, technicians meticulously collect samples to ensure every batch meets the highest standards of purity and potency.
As we look closer, the intricate, fibrous network of the aloe polygena is visible, a testament to its refinement and purity.
Once harvested, the gel undergoes a rigorous, multi-stage purification process, utilizing.
Once extracted, the raw gel is moved into these massive stainless steel refinement tanks for purification. The raw gel, now separated from the pulp, enters the deaeration chamber. Here, a powerful.
The purification stage is critical. As the gel passes through these specialized membranes, it slowly achieves its signature crystal clear quality.
To maintain the purity of the gel, Robotic arms extract samples for quality control. This minimizes contamination. To maintain the purity of the gel, robotic arms extract samples for quality control. This minimizes contamination.
Quality control is paramount. Using a digital viscometer, the team ensures the gel's viscosity meets those.
Every batch is subject to stringent quality control. Here, the green indicator confirms the gel meets.
Here in the packaging zone, the process Aloe.
After purification, the raw gel is transferred through these sterile pipes into massive, sealed.
Once purified, the viscous gel is ready for the final stage. Precision nozzles fill thousands of bottles an hour with pinpoint accuracy. Precision is paramount as the automated machinery applies airtight seals at high speed, ensuring the purity of the gel inside.
As the bottles pass the inspection point, high-speed sensors analyze the seal. Any deviation.
Once filled and capped, the bottles move to the laser coating station, where batch details are permanently etched onto the surface at high speed.
The bottles move rapidly along the conveyor belt, where automated systems apply the final labels before packaging.
Precision is paramount as the automated machinery applies airtight seals at high speed, ensuring the purity of the gel inside.
Maintaining the perfect balance is crucial for efficacy. The quality team ensures every measurement is exact before the gel moves to the next stage.
After undergoing rigorous quality control, the massive vats of purified aloe gel are finally cleared.
This route across the Atlantic is holding steady.
What about the Pacific? We're seeing delays here near Jakarta. We need to optimize that path immediately.
Rerouting now.
The scale of the operation is truly staggering. This warehouse alone holds millions of finished products ready for distribution.
Once purified and bottled, the gel is carefully loaded onto trucks for distribution around the world.
After rigorous quality control, the pure aloe vera gel is loaded onto refrigerated trucks, ensuring freshness upon arrival. After purification, the clear, viscous gel is transferred to the formulation lab, where scientists ensure its quality and consistency before packaging. After meticulous extraction and purification, the raw gel undergoes stringent quality control, ensuring.
From the fields to the finished product, process inside this facility ensures only